been a very long time. I haven't uploaded anything on the YouTube channel, and I promise I really intend to do so. However, I was really busy mentally and I was moving homes. Now I'm really settled and I have time for you guys. Thank you all for sending love via messages on Instagram and Facebook. I'm glad that you really want me to upload more videos, and hence I'm here today. Today is a very special and very simple video. This is the look. It is my go-to look. I really love wearing this look, especially when I wear grey lenses, which I'm wearing today. I hope you can see it really looks very natural and I love wearing lenses. So in this look you really do not need a hell lot of products, like basic things, and this video is for all you guys who do not have many makeup products. You just need a kajal. I guess everybody has it in their makeup bag. And the other thing that you might want to purchase, that is a brown color eyeshadow. Indians do not tend to put brown on their eyelids, and I really love it on dusky skin tones. I really love wearing this look because A, it doesn't take a lot of time, B, it hardly needs products, like 2-3 products, and you look bomb as fuck. So you guys, if you really want to know how did I achieve this look, please keep on watching. I'm using the shade called Fulani, which looks brown in color. I love using browns on my eyes, just packing the color in. You just do not need many makeup products. You do not need a makeup brush. You can actually do this using your fingers only. Just pack the brown color in. Just make sure that it's in the center of your lid and not extended towards the crease. Yes, the eye crease. Oh god. I'm using a waterproof pencil by Unique Style. I really love this product. It's worth ₹300. Stays up to 16 hours, it claims. Okay, so all you got to do is just apply the kajal from the outer corner to the mid, like till here, and stop, and then use your fingers or any kind of brush, try and blend it. So here you go. I think I should just sharpen it. It's fine. Okay, I think it's fine. So this is it. You stop over here. Taking the brush, try and blend inwards. Done. I'm using my finger again. Blend it. So I really like my kajal to look a little more darker, so I'm applying it once more, only on the outer edge. Blending it. Taking a blending brush, the same brush with the brown color on it, and blend. Now you apply kajal on the lower lashes. Try and blend it. Create an outer V, extend it and take it inwards. So you can see a nice V, and then take it inwards. And blend. Now it's not yet finished. You need to tweeze your eyeballs out of your socket, and then this actually looks so scary. So today I'm using two mascaras. I really love using both together. This one gives volume and the other one gives length.
So now I am highlighting my brow bone. I'm using the two shades from the same palette, Giza and Dahia. To highlight the bridge of my nose, I'm using the same two shades. And for the cheeks, I'm using Color Bar Coral Craving in the shade 009. Now to highlight my cheekbones, I'm using a highlighter from Colourpop in the shade Butterfly Beach. I really love the finish of this product. It is really light and not overpowering. So now for the lips, I'm using the shade called Give Me Mocha from Wet n Wild. I love this liquid lipstick.
So I really hope that you guys really enjoy this look. I really love wearing this look daily. I actually wanted to upload this look since a very long time. I wore this look when I had gone for my training, and every other girl in my class really wanted to know how did I achieve this look. I hope this video might have helped you guys, and I would love to see you all soon.